Hi there. Today I have a fast hair tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how I do beach waves. They are so simple, so easy. It's winter and I don't know about you, but I'm not a winter person. I love the summer. If you still miss the summer, it's the perfect time to do beach waves. They work all year long. It took me this long to do it. So let's get started. So first things first, I shampooed and conditioned my hair yesterday. So it's been 24 hours since I washed my hair. This is something that I learned modeling. Hairstylists would tell me, try not to wash your hair the morning of a shoot, because if you wash your hair the night before, sleep in it, and it's been at least 12 hours before you're getting your hair done, your hair's gonna have more natural oils that are gonna help your hair hold whatever styling is done to it. One thing I do that is important for prepping your hair for heat styling is I use the Kerastase, this one in this container, the Polishing Nourishing Milk Blow Dry Care for dry hair. A lot of people know what this is. It's a life changer. It makes your hair texture so much better when you blow dry it. It protects your hair from the heat. You're gonna have less breakage, less damage over time. My hair also gets a little bit frizzy from blow drying. I use the John Frieda Frizz Ease Serum before I blow dry. It helps it not get as frizzy, and again, helps with just making your hair look a little better than it usually does. Okay, so now we're all prepped and ready to go. I'm going to brush my hair. This is really all that I do to prepare it because I'm lazy and I'm always in a rush. Then we're gonna find our part. Today, I think I'm gonna do a middle part. Ignore my pimple. Okay, so I have a little bump here, but we'll fix that later. Because I washed my hair 24 hours ago, I'm gonna use a little bit more of the Kerastase. Just like a touch, just a touch, just a touch. Done. Okay, just kidding. Oh, this stuff's so gross. Hair curler I use, I'm pretty sure I bought it at Target. I think I've had it for like maybe 5 years. It is this. It's Revlon, and I like it because it's pink. No, just kidding. I like it because it literally only has like 2 buttons on it, so it's extremely easy to use. It has an on-off button and it has a temperature scale. Easy. And it also has this really nice thing, you know, so you can set it down. This part of the hair curler, we don't use this. We don't like this. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Like, the numbers on here are so precarious. It goes from 1 to 30. I have no idea what that is in temperature. I have it set to just over 15, so I don't really know what that means. It's blinking, so it's warming up. So now we wait for it to heat up. While I wait for this to heat up, I am going to use the curling iron as a microphone. Safe to take a step out. I haven't done anything wrong. Put the lotion in the basket. Maybe I should get one that warms up a little faster. That's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
1 hour later.
Oh, look at that. Ready to go. Like I said, this is a tutorial to get fast, easy beach waves. We're not gonna take the time to separate our hair and do the bottom layer, no. We're gonna get this done as fast as we can. So I take my finger like this, and I take this finger like this, and I snare a section. We hate this guy. Lift him up. We're gonna go like this, and we're just gonna wrap it around. Keep it there for a second. Take it out, look at that, and then we pull it. The pulling is important. I grab it and then I pull it like that. Great. Take my fingers, grab a piece that is fairly small, like this. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around it, and voila, pulling it, grabbing it, pulling it. Grabbing a section. We're gonna make it going the opposite way so it looks natural. Instead of going on this side of the hair, we're going on this side of the hair and wrapping it towards our face. Like this. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. Pulling it out, pulling it. Nice. I am just gonna continue to do this, and I'm gonna continue alternating curls going towards my face and away from my face. when I pick my sections, I pick small sections, so I do kind of end up getting like a little bit of a layer. So now we're gonna do like a bottom layer. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing we did on this side, but on this side. This one's gonna go the opposite way. Don't burn yourself. Oh, perfect. We're gonna go ahead and power down our device. It's probably gonna burn my rug, whatever. If there's a fire, you'll know in a couple minutes. Now our hair is done. Just kidding, this looks crazy. First thing I'm gonna do is run my fingers through it. Still a little warm. The most important part, we're gonna flip. So this is what it looks like now. It's still a little crazy. I'm gonna keep running our fingers through it just so it's a little messier and a little more lived in. I like to add a little volume to my hair. Ape. It's like a shake weight commercial. I don't know if this is the right audience for that, but whatever. I'm going to spray my roots. We're also gonna spray it like that, like almost like it's hairspray, just to give it a little body. Now we have got volume. This piece is like kind of like sprouting up like a little alfalfa sprout. We're gonna go like this, and then don't touch your scalp, but like take it away from your scalp and just go like that, so it like evens out the little funky part. I have like a little cowlick in the middle of my head that can sometimes look a little crazy. Last step that I do, if you want to, you can brush it. I will show the difference. It's gonna look a little less messy and a little more put together if you brush it. This, boom, boom. It's going to be like a softer curl. The choice is yours. So my last step here is I put a little bit of finishing cream on the ends and on like the front parts so that they don't get all like in my face. I use Ouai finishing cream. I use this all the time. Really just like softens your ends. So we're gonna go like this. And I'll give it a little scrunch. Remember when people used to scrunch their hair? That was so wild. If you used to scrunch your hair, comment below and let me know. So this is our final look.